Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello. Hi there. How are you today? I hope you are ready for another video. This is Jan. He wakes up every day at 8 in the morning. Jan likes to start his day early. He opens his eyes and stretches his arms. Waking up is the first thing he does each day. This is Sarah. She drinks tea in the evening. Sarah loves her warm tea. She likes to sit by her window and enjoy her drink. The tea makes her feel calm and relaxed. This is Tom. He plays football after school. Tom loves running on the field. He kicks the ball with his friends, and they have fun. Playing football makes him very happy. This is Misha. She helps her mom in the kitchen. Misha likes to cook. She stirs the soup and sets the table. Helping her mom is fun and special. This is Alex. He reads a book before bed. Alex likes to travel in stories. When he reads, he goes to new worlds. Reading helps him dream nice dreams. This is Lily. She feeds her cat every day. Lily loves her cat very much. She gives it food and water. Feeding her cat makes her smile. This is Ben. He rides his bike in the park. Ben enjoys the fresh air. He rides fast and feels free. Biking in the park is one of his favorite things to do. This is Anna. She listens to music at night. Anna loves music. It helps her relax after a busy day. Listening to her favorite songs makes her happy. This is Hakeem. He writes in his notebook. Hakeem likes to draw and write stories. His notebook is full of his creative ideas. Writing is fun for him. This is Emma. She draws pictures in her free time. Emma loves to color and be artistic. Drawing makes her feel calm and creative. She shows her drawings to her friends. This is David. He watches TV after dinner. David likes to laugh at funny shows. Watching TV is a fun way to end his day. This is Neela. She waters the plants in the morning. Neela cares for her plants. She loves watching them grow. Watering makes her happy, and her plants healthy. This is Rob. He walks to school every day. Rob enjoys seeing his friends on the way. Walking keeps him fit and happy. This is Hannah. She plays the piano in the afternoon. Hannah loves music and enjoys playing tunes. It helps her express her feelings. This is Leo. He eats an apple at lunch. Leo knows apples are good for him. They give him energy to play. This is Sophia. She talks to her friend on the phone. Sophia likes to laugh and share stories with her friend. Talking makes her feel connected. This is Omar. He washes his hands before eating. Omar knows it is important to be clean. Washing hands helps keep him healthy. This is Liv. She makes her bed every morning. Liv knows making her bed is a nice way to start the day. It keeps her room tidy. This is Max. He feeds the birds in the garden. Max enjoys watching the birds eat. Feeding the birds is something he loves to do. This is Lousy. She writes a letter to her grandma. Lousy loves her grandma very much. Writing letters is a sweet way to connect with family. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, I am always ready to learn more and give my best. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.